Hi everyone, I'm back. So today I'm going to tell you about how to prepare your skin before starting makeup. Skin prep is very important for your makeup because if you prep your skin perfectly, then your base turns out to be flawless. So let's start with step 1. Step 1 is cleansing. So for cleansing, I'll be using this lactocalamine wipes to clean my face. You can also take exfoliating wipes for cleansing your face, but I avoid exfoliation on my face because I have sensitive skin. Once you are done with cleansing, next step is toning. Toning is also a really important step which will provide hydration to your face. So for toning, I'm using this Love Earth Rose Water which will hydrate my face. Once you do the toning, let this toner dry for 2 minutes before you jump on to the next step, which will be moisturization. I'll be telling you additional steps in summers which you can follow to give extra glow and to lock your makeup properly. Today I'm using this Bobbi Brown moisturizer, which is also a primer, and it will serve as a base for my makeup. With very little quantity, I am moving forward and using my hands to apply moisturizer. As I'm done with my moisturization, so next step will be color correction. But today we are only doing and focusing on the skin prep. I will be also using this Dalba spray to provide extra glow to my skin. Since this is an oil-based serum, so I will be using one makeup fixer to lock this spray, otherwise my makeup can melt off in summers. I am using this Urban Decay All Nighter spray over my Dalba spray so that it can remain intact in my skin for a longer period of time. So as I'm done with my setting spray, now my skin prep has come to an end. If you find this video useful, please follow and subscribe to my channel for the upcoming content. Bye.